Morning students. Today we are going to understand next sum from accounting for debentures. Sum number 27. Jaspreet Apparels Limited issued 6,012% debentures of rupees 300 each. The board of directors was purchased 2,500 own debentures from the market at a price of rupees 280 each for the investment purpose. After few months, company sold these purchased debentures at rupees 310 per debenture in the market. Record necessary journal entries from the above transactions. Then students, first entry will be made for issuing the debentures. Then first entry will be bank account debit to 12% debenture application and allotment account. 6,000 multiplied by 300, 18 lakh. Then narration being amount of application and allotment is received on 6,000 debentures at rupees 300 per debenture. Then we will make second entry, 12% debenture application and allotment account debit to 12% debentures account. Amount 18 lakh. Narration being amount of application and allotment is transferred to debentures account. Then students, in third entry, the company will purchase its own debentures from the market at a price of 280. 2,500 multiplied by 280. And the entry will be investments in own debentures account debit to bank account. 2,500 multiplied by 280, the amount will be 7 lakh. Narration being purchase of 2,500 debentures at rupees 280 per debenture from the market for investment. And in the next entry, students, the company sold these purchased debentures at rupees 310 per debenture. Then we will make here sales entry, fourth, bank account debit company sold these debentures at 310 then the amount will be 7,75,000. Two investments in own debentures account, and here amount will be 7 lakh, and the difference amount is to profit on sale of investment account 75,000. Then narration being investments in own debentures sold at rupees 310 per debenture. Then in last entry we will transfer profit on sale of investment account to statement of P&L account. So profit on sale of investment account debit to statement of P&L account. The amount will be 75,000. Then narration being profit on sale of investment account is transferred to statement of P&L account. Then students, it is not necessary here to make total. then इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है स्टूडेंट्स हमारा सम नंबर 27. नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट सम्स के साथ. स्टूडेंट्स आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.